Hi everyone, and welcome to Reviewtastic. Today, I'm going to be talking about the best Forex signals provider for beginners in 2023. So, what are Forex signals? Forex signals are trading recommendations that are provided by a professional trader or a team of traders. These signals can be used by beginners and experienced traders alike to help them make more informed trading decisions. So, why use Forex signals? There are a number of reasons why you might want to use Forex signals. By following signals, you can save time that you would otherwise spend researching and analyzing the market. Signals can help you improve your trading results by providing you with the latest market insights and analysis. Signals can help you reduce risk by providing you with trade recommendations that have a high probability of success. How to choose a Forex signals provider? When choosing a Forex signals provider, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Make sure to choose a provider with a good reputation. You can do this by reading online reviews and checking the provider's track record. A good provider will be transparent about their trading methods and results. They should also be willing to answer your questions about their services. Forex signals providers can range in price, from free to very expensive. Choose a provider that fits your budget and your needs. After researching a number of Forex signals providers, I have found that the best provider for beginners in 2023 is 1000 Pip Builder. 1000 Pip Builder is a Forex signal service that provides members with daily trading signals. The service is run by Bob, a former professional trader, who has over 10 years of experience in the Forex market. So, why join 1000 Pip Builder Forex signals? Trades taken by 1000 Pip Builder have been independently tracked and verified by my FX book. You will be receiving reliable trades from an experienced trader. Bob has over 10 years experience in the Forex market. The service is 5-star rated and recommended by existing members of 1000 Pip Builder. You will have direct access to Bob, and you will be able to ask your questions. Bob will work with you to make sure you have grasped the key principles. Whilst Bob is based in London, he trades Asian, US and European sessions. There should be signals for you to follow, irrespective of the time zone you are in. Finally, signals are sent by the Telegram app, email and SMS. You are in charge of your funds at all times, and placing the trades is entirely up to you. The team at 1000 Pip Builders are always available to provide any help and assistance that you may require. If you're a beginner trader who is looking for a way to improve your trading results, I recommend using Forex signals. 1000 Pip Builder is a great option for beginners, and they offer full support to help you succeed. If you're interested in learning more about 1000 Pip Builder, then be sure to visit their website. I have included the link in the comments section. It is also important to remember that no Forex signal provider can guarantee profits. All trading involves risk, and you should always do your own research before following any signal. Thanks for watching.